Welcome back. In today's video we'll be looking at ways to fix Wi-Fi that keeps disconnecting on a Windows 10 PC. You should be able to perform most of the solutions without any Wi-Fi, so you don't need to worry about it dropping out. There are many reasons that this could be occurring, and of course there is always the chance that the issue is something physical on your PC, especially if this is the only device that it happens to. If it isn't, it's likely your router or internet service provider at fault. If it is only your PC with the problem and nothing in the video helps, then I would recommend contacting the manufacturer for more info. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. The first thing to mention is to check that there aren't any problems with your router. It might be worth restarting it, but you could also try connecting another device to it to check and see if that keeps disconnecting from it. Also, make sure it is within range, as that could be a reason that your network adapter keeps losing signal with it. If you can, try a wired connection. This should help if the issue is to do with anything wireless on either your router or network adapter on your PC. If the problem is with your router, I would recommend contacting your internet service provider. Next, we'll try troubleshooting the problem. This will let Windows check for any problems automatically. To do this, first go to the main settings page. You can get there by clicking on the cog icon within the Start menu. In Settings, go to Update and Security. Now choose Troubleshoot from the options on the left side. There are two troubleshooters that we can run in here. The first one is called Internet Connections. Click on it and then select Run the Troubleshooter. Allow Windows to check for and fix any problems. The second troubleshooter to run is called Network Adapter, and it should be further down the list. Run that one and see if Windows can fix it. If Windows returns a problem but can't fix it itself, research this specific problem online for a fix. However, we might fix it in the rest of this video, so stick around just in case. If the disconnecting issue occurred after installing a recent Windows 10 update, then you can try uninstalling that update. You only need to do this though if you are confident the update caused the problem. I'll leave a link to a video showing you how to uninstall a recent Windows update in the description, or you can click the card on screen now to go to that one. I would recommend following the rest of this video first though to see if we can fix it without having to uninstall the update. Also, it's worth thinking about any recent software changes you have made that could have caused the issue to appear. It's possible that a VPN could be causing the problem, so if you have one, try removing it if you think that might have caused this to start happening. It's also possible that some antivirus software could be causing this problem, so perhaps uninstall that to check. Other changes such as settings changes may have also caused the disconnection issues to appear, so try and revert these kind of changes that you made that could have caused it. If you didn't do anything that might have caused the issue, then we'll move on to some more solutions. Next, we'll see if the issue is driver related. If the problem has only just occurred, it might be worth rolling back or trying to update your device drivers. To do this, first go to the Device Manager. You can get there by searching for it in the search bar. Once in the Device Manager, find where it says Network Adapters. Find your network adapter from this list. It should have the words Network Adapter in its name, and it might look like mine, but if you're not sure, then let me know in the comments and I will try and help. When you've found it, double click on it and then go to the Driver tab. If you think a recent driver update may have caused the disconnection issues, then you can select Rollback Driver and follow the steps. Whether or not a recent driver update caused the problem, it's worth checking for driver updates. So this time, click on Update Driver and then choose the Automatic option. It's unlikely this will work, as Windows probably won't be able to search the internet in your case if your Wi-Fi is disconnected at the moment. But it's worth a try to see if it can find anything on your PC. Allow Windows to search for a driver update and then follow the steps. You may need to restart if you either roll back your driver or if Windows finds one to update. We're now going to try disabling and then re-enabling the network adapter. To do this, go back to the Device Manager and find your network adapter again. Right-click on it and select Disable Device and then Yes. Wait a few moments and then right click on it again and then select Enable. Now try connecting to your network to see if that stopped it from disconnecting. If that didn't work, we'll now try reinstalling the network adapter. To do this, stay in the Device Manager and find your network adapter, but this time right click on it and select Uninstall Device. Check the box that says Delete Driver Software and then click Uninstall. You will now need to restart your PC to check if this has worked. Windows will reinstall your device once you start up. You may need to wait a few minutes after restarting for it to work. The next thing to try will be to reset some of our network connection settings. To do this, we need to head to the command prompt. You can get here by searching for it in the search bar, but before opening it, you will need to right click on it and select Run as Administrator. When it opens, we need to input some specific text. I will include this at the bottom of the description if you want to copy and paste it. First enter netsh and then a space, then winsock, then another space and finally reset. Hit the enter key on your keyboard and it should complete immediately, and the message will tell you to restart your PC. You won't need to do that straight away though, as we have a few more commands to try first. The next command to type will be netsh, then space, then int, space ip, space reset. Press the enter key to run this command. The next command to enter is ipconfig, space, /release. Press enter again to run this one. Now type in ipconfig, space, /renew, and then press enter. Finally, type ipconfig, space, /flushdns, and press enter. Now try restarting your PC and again try using your Wi-Fi to see if this has fixed the problem. The final possible solution I have is to completely reset all of your network settings. This might reset things like VPNs that you have set up, so only do this as a last resort if you have a lot of customized network settings. It will uninstall and reinstall all of your network adapters, and it's worth a try, but just bear in mind you may need to set a few things up once you have restarted your PC if you have custom network settings and software. To reset your network settings, first go to the main settings page and then choose Network and Internet. Click on Status from the options on the left, although you should be in there by default. In here, choose Network Reset. This is a blue link at the bottom or close to the bottom of the list. In here, click on Reset and then you will need to restart to see if this fixed it. Those are all the solutions I have. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments. If you believe there's a problem with your wireless network adapter, a good temporary fix would be to try a wired connection like I mentioned at the beginning, or you could even buy a USB network adapter. They aren't too expensive and should work just as well. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.